Welcome back, fashion enthusiasts, to another exciting episode of Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of steampunk fashion, and boy, do we have a treat for you. Feast your eyes on the best steampunk costume for plus-size women available in the market, the Je Tu Me plus-size steampunk costume. This stunning ensemble combines the allure of Victorian aesthetics with the edginess of steampunk flair. Crafted from a blend of 90% polyester and 10% cotton, the fabric of this costume is not only soft but also incredibly comfortable, ensuring you feel like a true fashion maven wherever you go. But what sets this costume apart from the rest? Let's delve into its unique features. With its high-low skirt design, this outfit exudes elegance and sophistication. The banded high waist accentuates your curves, while the ankle-length back tail adorned with tiers of ruffles adds a touch of drama to your ensemble. Versatility is key when it comes to fashion, and this costume delivers in spades. Whether you're attending a wedding, Christmas party, Halloween bash, or a night out on the town, the Je Tu Me steampunk costume has you covered. Embrace your inner vampiress, witch, can dancer, or saloon girl with ease. And let's talk about that elastic waist closure, folks. Not only does it ensure a snug and comfortable fit, but it also allows for easy movement, so you can dance the night away without a care in the world. Plus-size fashion should be empowering and inclusive, and this costume embodies just that. Available in a range of sizes and colors, there's something for every body type and style preference. As with any fashion investment, it's important to consider the quality of the garment. While some customers have noted minor discrepancies in fit and fabric quality, the majority rave about the costume's appearance, value, and elasticity. So, whether you're a seasoned steampunk enthusiast or a fashion-forward individual looking to make a statement, the Je Tu Me plus-size steampunk costume is your ticket to sartorial bliss. Trust me, you won't be disappointed.